Hey Lil Strikers! What's the most exciting moment in soccer? Scoring a goal. Today we're learning how to shoot the ball into the net. Get ready to become a goal-scoring machine. To shoot with power, use your laces, that's the top of your foot where the shoelaces are. Lock your ankle tight, point your toes down, and strike through the middle of the ball. Your standing foot is super important. Plant it right next to the ball, pointing at the goal. If your standing foot is wrong, the ball will go flying in the wrong direction. Now where should you aim? The corners. Goalkeepers find it hardest to save shots that go into the corners of the goal. Low and to the side, that's the sweet spot. Pick your corner and shoot. Here's a secret the pros know, sometimes accuracy is more important than power. A gentle shot into the corner beats a powerful shot straight at the goalkeeper. Place the ball, don't blast it. Follow through. After you kick the ball, let your leg swing all the way through. Don't stop your leg when it hits the ball. Swing through like you're trying to kick the air above the ball. Practice makes perfect. Set up a target in the goal, a cone, a water bottle, or even a jacket. Try to hit it from different distances. Start close and move back as you get better. Goal! Amazing work, Lil Strikers! Remember, laces for power, plant your foot, aim for the corners, and follow through. Now go out there and score some goals. See you next time.